The Millard Caravan, a hidden gem of Australian travel from the 1960s to the 1980s, quietly became a beloved family favorite. Known for its durability, affordability, and practicality, it transformed road trips into cherished adventures. This classic caravan symbolized freedom, exploration, and the enduring Aussie spirit of the open road. The birth of an icon, Millard's humble beginnings. Millard Caravans emerged as one of Australia's most iconic caravan brands, with a history rooted in innovation and quality craftsmanship. Established in the 1940s by Jim Darlington, Millard initially focused on timber frame caravans, catering to the growing demand for mobile holidaying. However, it was in the 1960s that the company truly flourished, becoming a household name across Australia. Millard Caravans became so popular that they were used not just for family road trips, but also as makeshift homes. During housing shortages in Australia, many people lived in their Millard Caravans full-time, parking them in backyards or caravan parks as affordable housing solutions. Jim Darlington's vision was simple: to create affordable, durable, and practical caravans suited for the rugged Australian landscape. Unlike many competitors, Millard embraced forward-thinking designs and technological advancements that revolutionized the industry. The company pioneered the use of lightweight aluminum cladding over a robust timber or steel frame, significantly enhancing durability and towing efficiency. This innovation not only reduced maintenance costs, but also made long-distance travel more accessible to Australian families. Throughout the 1960s and 70s, Millard continued refining its designs, introducing features that catered to the evolving needs of travelers. Spacious interiors, clever storage solutions, and improved aerodynamics made Millard Caravans a favorite among families seeking adventure on the open road. The introduction of the Millard Mini and other streamlined models ensured a perfect blend of comfort and practicality, further cementing the brand's reputation. By the late 1970s, Millard had become one of Australia's largest caravan manufacturers, setting a benchmark in the industry. The company's ability to balance affordability with reliability made its caravans a staple in Australian holiday culture. Even today, vintage Millard models are prized by collectors and travelers who appreciate their enduring craftsmanship and nostalgic charm. Now, before we dive into the production details, could you do us a quick favor? If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Over 98% of you watch without subscribing. Imagine the impact if everyone did. It's free and it means a lot to us. Thanks a bunch. The Golden Era, Millard Caravans in the 1960s and 70s. The 1960s and 70s marked the golden era of Millard Caravans, solidifying its status as a household name in Australia. With road travel booming and families embracing the caravan lifestyle, Millard seized the opportunity to lead the industry. Its reputation for durable, affordable, and innovative designs made it one of Australia's largest caravan manufacturers during this period. One of the most popular models of this era was the Millard Safari, designed for adventurous travelers. Featuring a sturdy steel chassis, aluminum-clad body, and spacious interiors, the Safari was built to handle Australia's rugged landscapes. Its lightweight construction allowed for better fuel efficiency, making it an economical choice for long-distance touring. The Safari often came equipped with functional kitchens, comfortable sleeping arrangements, and ample storage, catering perfectly to families on extended road trips. Another standout model was the Millard Capri, known for its stylish design and modern amenities. Unlike earlier, more utilitarian caravans, the Capri offered a touch of luxury with improved insulation, more refined interiors, and larger windows for better ventilation and scenic views. Families appreciated its well-thought-out floor plans, which provided a balance between comfort and practicality. Millard's ability to blend affordability with quality was another key factor in its success. By the late 1970s, Millard was producing thousands of caravans annually, setting a benchmark for the industry. Their reliable craftsmanship meant that many of these models are still in use today, cherished by collectors and travelers who appreciate their nostalgic charm and enduring durability. The Millard legacy continues to be celebrated by Australia's caravan enthusiasts, proving its timeless appeal. Design and durability, what made Millard stand out. Millard Caravans gained widespread popularity in Australia from the 1960s to the 1980s, largely due to their superior design and durability. Built with a rugged Australian landscape in mind, Millard introduced several key innovations that set its caravans apart from competitors. One of Millard's most significant advancements was its lightweight aluminum-clad construction. While many caravans relied on full timber frames, Millard transitioned to aluminum cladding over a timber or steel frame. This not only reduced overall weight, making towing easier and more fuel efficient, but also enhanced durability by minimizing issues like rot and warping. The aluminum exteriors were also resistant to rust and corrosion, an essential feature for caravanners exploring Australia's coastal and outback regions. The practical layouts of Millard caravans were another standout feature. Designed for families and long-distance travelers, these caravans prioritized efficient use of space. Well-planned interiors included compact yet functional kitchens with gas stoves and refrigerators, convertible seating areas for extra sleeping capacity, and ample storage compartments. The open-plan design ensured better airflow and natural light, making the caravans comfortable for extended trips. Millard also focused on weather-resistant construction, incorporating waterproof sealants, durable roofing, and insulated paneling to protect against Australia's harsh climate. Whether facing heavy rains in the tropics or scorching heat in the outback, Millard caravans provided reliable shelter. These features made Millard a trusted name in Australian caravanning. Many vintage models remain in use today, a testament to their durability. Their well-thought-out designs and robust build quality continue to attract enthusiasts who appreciate their practicality and nostalgic charm. The caravan boom, Millard's role in Australian culture. During the 1960s and 80s, Australia experienced a caravanning boom, and Millard caravans became a defining part of this lifestyle. As more Australians embraced road trips and outdoor adventures, Millard provided an affordable and reliable way for families to explore the vast and diverse landscapes of the country. Caravanning became a symbol of freedom and adventure, allowing families to travel beyond cities and into the heart of Australia. With improved road infrastructure and a growing middle class, more people sought cost-effective holiday options. Millard caravans met this demand with their lightweight, durable, and spacious designs, making travel accessible to a wider audience. Their ease of towing allowed families to venture into national parks, beaches, and remote outback locations without sacrificing comfort. Millard's popularity contributed significantly to the Australian caravanning culture, influencing everything from holiday habits to the development of caravan parks. The company's well-designed models, such as the Safari and Capri, became a common sight along highways and coastal routes. These caravans fostered a sense of community among travelers, with roadside stops and caravan parks turning into social hubs for families and retirees alike. The rise of caravan tourism also impacted regional economies, as small towns benefited from the influx of travelers. Millard's role in this era cemented its place as a beloved brand, with many of its vintage models still on the road today. For many Australians, a Millard caravan was more than just a vehicle. It was a home on wheels, filled with memories of adventure, family bonding, and the great outdoors. The decline and revival of Millard. By the late 1970s, Millard caravans faced significant challenges that led to its decline. One of the biggest setbacks was the 1970s global petrol crisis, which caused fuel prices to skyrocket. As a result, many Australians became more conscious of fuel efficiency and began shifting towards smaller, lighter caravans or alternative travel options. Additionally, changing consumer preferences played a role in Millard's struggles. The rise of imported caravans and increasing demand for more luxurious, feature-packed models put pressure on local manufacturers. While Millard had built its reputation on affordability and durability, competitors began offering high-end caravans with more modern amenities, attracting a new generation of travelers. By the early 1980s, these factors contributed to a decline in sales, and Millard was eventually sold to Viscount, another major caravan manufacturer. This marked the end of Millard as an independent brand, and production slowed down significantly. However, in the 2000s, the Millard name was revived, bringing back its trusted craftsmanship with updated features for modern travelers. The new Millard models retained the brand's reputation for durability while incorporating contemporary designs, improved insulation, and better suspension systems suited for off-road travel. The company adapted to the evolving market by offering customized layouts and lighter materials, ensuring better fuel efficiency. Today, Millard's legacy lives on, both through restored vintage models cherished by enthusiasts and its modern caravans that continue to serve Australian travelers. The brand remains a symbol of quality, reliability, and the enduring love for caravanning, proving that the spirit of Millard is still very much alive. The Millard Caravan remains a cherished icon of Australia's travel history, bringing families together on unforgettable adventures. Its legacy of durability and freedom lives on among caravan enthusiasts. Did you or your family ever own a Millard? Share your memories and thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear your stories.